Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to start from sum number 16 from exercise 3.3. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here the given matrix A equal to cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, minus sin 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha. Now you have to find out the value of A square. So A square means A into A. That means you have to write down this matrix 2 times. Okay. So write down here the elements of the matrix. So that is A, and then again write down the same matrix A into A. So minus sin 2 alpha, here sin 2 alpha, and then here cos 2 alpha. Okay. Now as here the first one is 2 by 2 matrix, second one will be 2 by 2. So the result will be also 2 by 2 matrix. So first you have to write down, multiply this one cos 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha. That will be cos square 2 alpha. Then as here minus, so it will be minus sin square 2 alpha. Here sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, so it will be cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha, then again cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha. So as this one will be added, so you can just write down here directly 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Okay. The next one minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, and here also so write down here minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, and then again minus. So you can write down here minus 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Okay. Now the last one, as here minus sin square alpha, so write down here minus sin square 2 alpha, then plus here cos square 2 alpha. Okay. So now in the first one you have cos square 2 alpha minus sin square 2 alpha. So you can here apply the formula of the trigonometry, that is this one will be cos 4 alpha. Why cos 4 alpha? Because the formula of cos 2 theta, that equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. As here 2 alpha, so it will be 2 into 2 alpha, that means 4 alpha. Now the next one 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, so it will be sin 4 alpha, because here the formula of sin 2 theta, that equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Next one it will be minus sin 4 alpha, and this one will be again cos 4 alpha. Okay. So that is your answer. Now next one 16.2. Here m theta equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now you have to prove that mx into my, that equal to mx plus y. So here left hand side, first here mx into my. So as here m theta, so all here are theta. So for mx it will be write down cos x, then minus sin x, here sin x, and here cos x. And for my it will be cos y minus sin y, then sin y, and the last one will be cos y. Okay. So now you have to multiply here. So here cos x into cos y, so write down here cos x cos y, then minus sin x sin y. Next one cos x sin y, and here again sin x sin y cos x, so write down here plus sin y cos x. Okay. So as here cos x sin y, so next one, this one will be sin x cos y, Now next here minus cos y sin x, and then again minus here cos x sin y. Okay. Minus cos y sin x, then minus cos x sin y. Then last one here minus sin x sin y, and then plus cos x cos y. Okay. So here the first one cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is the formula of cos x plus y. Next one cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. It will be the formula of sin x plus y. Here both are minus, so if minus will be common, it becomes cos y sin x, then sin y cos x. That is the formula of sin x plus y. Here as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, so the same formula, it will be cos x plus y, and that equal to, you can write down mx plus y. So left hand side equal to right hand side, and it's proved. Now next, sum number 17. If A equal to this matrix, then show that A square equal to A. So that means first you have to find out A square. So multiply this matrix with itself. So here minus 1 into 1, then 1, 1 into 3, 3, and minus 1 into 5, it's minus 5. Then 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, 3 into 5, 15. Then 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 5 into 3, minus 15, and then again 5 into 5, 25. Similarly, you have to multiply this row with this column, you will get this one. Then again this row with second column, you will get this one. Then same row with third column, you will get this one. Okay, again third row first column, then third row second column, then third row third column. So now you have, as here 1 plus 3 minus 5, that equal to minus 1, minus 3 minus 9 plus 15, that equal to 3, minus 5 minus 15 plus 25, that equal to 5. The upper row and the last row will be same. So here minus 1 3 5, here will be minus 1 3 5. Now the middle one, minus 1 minus 3 plus 5, that equal to plus 1, 3 plus 9 minus 12 minus 3, and 5 plus 15 minus 25, that equal to minus 5. So now this is as same as the given matrix. So here A square equal to A, and it's proved. Now sum number 18. Here A equal to 2 minus 1 3 2, B equal to 0 4 minus 1 7. Then find the value of 3A square minus 2B plus I. I means identity matrix. So first here A square equal to, multiply this matrix with itself, and you will get here 2 into 2 4, and 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Then 2 into minus 1 and minus 1 into 2, so minus 2 minus 2. In this way 3 into 2 6, and 3 into 2 6. Then minus 1 3, and 2 into 4, so minus 3 plus 4, that equal to 1 minus 4 12 and 1. Okay, so this is the value of A square. As here 3A square, that means you have to multiply 3 with these elements. So first one 3, second one minus 12, then here 36, and last one will be 3. Now here minus 2b, that means 2 will be multiplied with each and every element. So 0, 8, minus 2, and 14. Okay, and last one identity matrix, as all the matrix are in 2 by 2 order, so this one will be 1 0 0 1. Okay, now you have to first you have to subtract and then add. You can do it directly. So 3 minus 0 plus 1, it's 4. Minus 12 minus 8 plus 0, it's minus 20. 36, here minus minus plus, so 36 plus 2 plus 0, 38. Then 3 minus 4 plus 1, so it will be minus 10 as your answer. Now next, sum number 19. Here A equal to 2 1, B equal to 5 3 4 8 7 6, C equal to minus 1 2 1 0 1 2. So first here you have to write down the order of the matrix, that is 1 cross 2, 2 cross 3, and here 2 cross 3. Now you have to prove that here the left hand side you have A into B plus C, and in the right hand side you have AB plus AC. Okay, so first you have to find out the value of A into B plus C. That means first you have to add the matrix B and C. So whenever you add these two matrices, it will be 5 minus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5. Then 8 plus 0 8, 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 2 8. Now you have to multiply with A. So as here A equal to 1 cross 2, B equal to 2 cross 3, then the result will be 1 cross 3. Remember that. The first one and here the last one. So now 2 into 4 plus 1 into 8, then 5 into 2 plus 1 into 8, then 5 into 2 plus 1 into 8. So it will be 16, 18, 18, 1 cross 3 matrix. Now the right hand side, AB plus AC. So AB means first you have to multiply A and B. So as here 1 cross 2, here 2 cross 3, so it will be 1 cross 3. So multiply 5 into 2 10 and 1 into 8 18, so it will be 18. Then 3 into 2 6, 7 into 1 7, 6 plus 7 13. Then here 4 into 2 8, 6 into 1 6, so it's 14. Now next one AC. So here minus 1 into 2 minus 2, then 0, so it will be minus 2. 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, so 4 plus 1 5. Then here 1 into 2 2 and 2 into 1 2, so 2 plus 2 4. Now you have to add these two matrix. 18 minus 2 16, 13 plus 5 18, 14 plus 4 18. So here the left hand side equal to right hand side, so it's proved. Now next, sum number 20. In sum number 20, here A equal to this one, B equal to this one, C equal to this one. So first you have to write down the order of the matrix, you know that. Now you have to prove that AB into C that equal to A into BC. So first you have to find out A into B. Okay, as here 2 by 2, here 2 cross 3, so it will be, answer will be 2 cross 3. So first multiply this one and you will get 12, 17, 22, 4, 5, 6. I know you can find out the multiplication of these two matrix. First you have to multiply 3 2 with 4 0, then 3 2 with 5 1, then 3 2 with 6 2. Then you will get these three elements. Okay. So here now next you have to multiply A matrix with the C1. So as here 2 cross 3, here 3 cross 3, so it will be again 2 cross 3. So 1 into 12, minus 2 into 17 and 3 into 22, this one. Minus 4 into 12, then 5 into 17, then 6 into 22, this one. 1 into 12, minus 3 into 17 and 5 into 22, okay. Then 1 into 4, minus 2 into 5, 6 into 3. Minus 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6. 1 into 4, minus 3 into 5 and then 5 into 6. Okay, now you can easily calculate this one. So it will be 44, 169, 71, 12, 45, 19. Next thing here, you have to multiply A matrix with BC. So first you have to find out the multiplication of BC. I hope you can do it. So here the result will be 12, 45, 19, 4, 17, 7. So now you have to multiply A matrix with this one. As A means 2 by 2 and this one 2 cross 3. So final result will be 2 cross 3. So now multiply this one, 12 into 3, then 4 into 2, 44. 45 into 3 plus 17 into 2, that equal to 169. 19 into 3 plus 7 into 2, that equal to 71. 12 into 1, 4 into 0, 12. 45 into 1, 17 into 0, 45. 19 into 1, 7 into 0, 19. So the upper one is equal to the lower one. Okay, so that means this one is equal to this one. So it's proved. Now sum number 21(1). You have to find out the value of x and y from this. So here 2 minus 3 1 1 multiply with xy, that equal to 1 3. So whenever you multiply these two matrix, you will get here 2x minus 3y and then here x plus y, that equal to 1 3. So now by comparing both sides, you will get 2x minus 3y, that equal to 1, and here x plus y equal to 3. So as here x plus y equal to 3, then x equal to 3 minus y. Let's put down the value here. So 2 into 3 minus y minus 3y, that equal to 1. So it will be 6 minus 2y minus 3y, that equal to 1. So here minus 5y equal to minus 5. Then y equal to here 1. Okay. So as y equal to 1, then x equal to 3 minus 1, that equal to 2. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is your answer. Now next one, sum number 21(2). Here given xy 3yx multiply with 1 2 and that equal to 3 5. So whenever you multiply these two matrix, you will get here x plus 2y and here 3y plus 2x. that equal to 3, 5. Okay, so now by comparing both sides, x plus 2y equal to 3 and here 3y plus 2x that equal to 5. Okay, so now if you here eliminate x, so you have to multiply this equation with 2. So it becomes 2x plus 4y and that equal to 6. So here also 2x, here also 2x. So subtract this equation from this one. So 2x plus 4y that equal to 6. Here 2x plus 3y that equal to 5. Subtract. So 2x cancel out. It will be y and here 1. So y equal to 1. Now if y equal to 1, then from the first equation x plus 2 into 1 that equal to 3. Then x equal to also 1. So here x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Now next, sum number 22, 1. Here given matrix A equal to 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2. And you have to prove that A square minus 5A minus 14I that equal to 0. That means 0 matrix. So first you have to find out the A square. That means 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2. Again multiply with 3 minus 5 minus 4 and here 2. Then here minus 5A. So 5a means you have to multiply 5 with these elements. So 15, 25, this one equal to 20 and the last one will be 10. And then here minus, as here 14i, you know that I means identity matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 1. If you multiply 14, then it will be here 14, 0, here 0, here 14. Okay. Now first you have to find out the A square. So whenever you multiply 3 into 3, okay, 3 into 3, 9, then here 5 into 4, 20, that means 29. Then next one will be here minus 15, then minus 10, that equal to minus 25. Third one will be here minus 20 and fourth one 24. Then here minus 15, minus 25, minus 20, 10 and here also 14, 0, 0, 14. Okay, now 29 minus 15 minus 14 that equal to 0. Minus 25 here plus 25 minus 0 that equal to also 0. Minus 20 plus 20 minus 0 that equal to 0. Last one here 24 minus 10. So 14 again minus 14 that equal to 0. So it's proved. So here sum number 22, 2 is as same as sum number 22, 1. So I hope you can solve it. So next move on to the sum number 23. In sum number 23, A equal to this one, B equal to this one. And you have to prove that this one equal to this one. Okay. So as here small a with capital A. That means small a multiply with capital A. So it becomes A 0 0 A. Okay. Then plus small b with B. So it becomes 0b minus b 0. Okay. Now the next one here a into a. So again this one a 0 0 a and then minus it will be 0b minus b 0. Okay. So now you have to first add these two matrix, then you will get here a, this one b, this one minus b, here a. Then multiply with here a, this one minus b, okay, and then next one here minus b also, sorry, minus plus b, and this one will be here a. So now you have to multiply these two matrix. So a into a square plus b square. Then here minus b, so it will be minus ab plus ab. Here also minus ab plus ab. And the last one will be a square plus b square. Okay, so it will be here a square plus b square, then it will be 0, here also 0, and here also a square plus b square. So you can write down this one as a square plus b square in outside, it will be 1 0 0 1, and that equal to a square plus b square into A matrix. So it's proved. So now sum number 24 is similar kind of problem. I hope you can solve it. So now sum number 25, and this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here a equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and here a square equal to ka minus 2i, that is the given condition. You have to find out the value of k here. So as here a square, so first you have to find out the value of a square. That means you have to multiply this matrix with itself. So 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, then again write down 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Okay. So now whenever you multiply this one, so 3 into 3, 9, and then here 4 into 2 minus 2, that equal to 8. So it becomes here 9 minus 8, that equal to 1. Then next 3 into minus 2, minus 6, it will be plus 4. So it becomes minus 2. Then 3 into 4, 12, minus 8. So it becomes 4. And the last one will be here 4 into minus 2, 8. Here 4. So it will be also 4. So 1 minus 2, 4, 4. Now as here a square equal to ka minus 2i. So ka means k multiply with each and every matrix. Okay. K multiply with each and every matrix. So write down here k and then a. Then here minus 2i. 2i means 2, 0, 0, 2. That is 2i. That equal to a square. So write down the matrix. 1 minus 2, 4, 4. So here the first one will be k, and here k equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So that equal to, first write down this one, 1 minus 2, 4, 4. And as here minus this matrix, so you have to write down here plus this one. From left to right. So now it will be, if you add these two matrix, so 2 plus 1, it's 3. Minus 2, 0, it will be minus 2. Okay. Then here 4 into 0, sorry, 4 plus 0, it's 4, and 4 plus 2, it's 6. Okay. So that means here k equal to this one 4. Sorry, it's a little bit mistake here. I think so here 4 into minus 2 minus 8, and here 4, it will be minus 4. Extremely sorry for that. It will be minus 4. So here also minus 4. So this one equal to minus 2. Okay. So that means k into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that equal to right hand side you have also the same matrix. Okay. So by comparing both sides, here the value of k equal to 1.